anything positive or negative, positive or negative, if it is an, this will be called as an integer data type, integer data type. If anything is like in this way, like 2.33 or 2.33 minus, this is like an, this both comes under the float data type, we already seen. So right now we'll go for the boolean data type. For example, a is equal to, if I'm storing true, boolean is boolean data type. In the boolean, in the boolean we have only, we have only two values over here, two values, like either true, two things, two things, either either true or false, either true or false. If a is equal to true, like if I'm printing this a part, one second, it's connecting here, it has to connect. Say a is equal to true. So if I want to, if I want to check the type of it, type of a, bool, and also b is equal to, if I store false, print b, and checking the type of, checking the type of b, bool, boolean. So you can see here, have stored true over here and I've stored false over here, if you observe this. And type of a is boolean and type of b is boolean. And also like this also, if you say, and ab is equal to bool of bool of 0, false, means bool of 0 automatically, like bool of 0 and bool of 1 is, bool of 0 is nothing but bool of, bool of 0 is, bool of 0 is false, and bool of 1 comes under true. So if you see this, ba is equal to bool of 1 over here, print ba, just say. Bool of 0 will be false and bool of 1 comes under the true part. If you check the type of this, you can check the type of this. If you check type of this, type of ab, bool, and type of ba, bool. Only just boolean is nothing but anything which you see true or false. True or false is nothing but boolean. True or false is nothing but boolean, and also bool of 0 and bool of 1 is nothing but the, bool of 1 is nothing but the boolean over here. Just say, okay, okay, I'm writing here, just say bool of anything, either true or false is, true or false is boolean, and bool of 0, bool of, bool of 0, bool of 0 is false, and bool of 1 comes under true. This is the, this is only about the boolean data type, boolean data, boolean data type. So till here about the integer, floats and booleans. Okay, okay, fine. After this, till now is it clear, guys? Integer, floats, boolean, is it clear? Any queries with the integer, floats and boolean? Is it clear, guys? Put it on chart if any queries. Okay, fine. What I'll do, if no queries, I'll move on. If any queries, I'll wait till here about the integer, floats and boolean part. Already we have seen the integers, integers and floats in the previous class. If you want me to elaborate now, I'll do it out. If anyone wants about the integer, if anyone have any queries about the integer, floats, boolean and variable part, I'll repeat it once again. Again I'm asking. If anyone have any doubts about this integer, floats, integer, integer, floats, and this integer, floats and variables. If anyone having any queries about this, we'll move on. We'll discuss about this. If not, we'll move on to the next data type. Shall we? Okay, fine. We'll move on. Okay. No one is saying any. No one is saying they're having the queries. We'll move on. Okay. So I'll open this another data type of this. Sorry, another collaborator of this. Another notebook of this collaborator. Create and share. Let's now go with the okay. Someone is going coming. I think. Okay, fine. See, here we'll discuss now Python strings. But I've told you that string is also one of the data type. Strings are also string is also string is also string is also one of the Python data type. One of the Python data type string is also which is enclosed in double quotes which is enclosed in double quotes single quotes, which is enclosed in the double quotes or single quotes. For example, if I go here, I'll give you intro part about this, theory part about this. I'll go to the practical also, no worries. See, just see strings, string data type in Python. String is enclosed in normally. If you see anything, if I take this as variable, my string, if I take this as a my string, is equal to if I store this Python Python, if I store this is string. This will be string. String is enclosed in double quotes, or like this also you can write this Python single quotes, single or double quotes. Inside, in between that, it can be this can be this can be this can be word or sentence or any paragraph. Everything will be called as a string. I'll show you an example. I'll show you few examples of this. If I go with this, my string is equal to Python print my string. See Python. If I check the type of it, data type of it, my string. If I check the data type of it, it will be like my string. See str you can see guys. Str you can see my string. Okay, and also if I show you my string one is equal to single quotes. I've gone with single quotes, and I'll go with this. Uh, yes, this batch includes both data analytics and data science. This is full stack data science batch. Okay, if you say this, print my string 1, and if you check the type of this, my string 1, if you check the type of this, say, str, if you check the type of this will be like str. Okay, string, this is a string. If you enclose it in double brackets, sorry, double quotes or single quotes, like this, say double quotes Python or single quote Python, this both called string. String, this both called as a string. It can be a word, it can be a word or sentence. String can be sentence or paragraph. Paragraph, it can be a word, sentence or paragraph. So after this, if you see, for example, another string, we'll say string, this is a variable name, guys, string 2. I'm going with string 2 is equal to, just see, if I go with this like this, I am I am from Hyderabad. I'm from Hyderabad. One second, where it is? See, just observe this. This is not working like this. If I copy this, just see, I'll show you the difference why it's not working.
Because there is an
Yes,
apostrophe near I am.
that's the reason. Yes, that's the reason it's not working. Double quotes and single quote work, guys. Guys, double quotes and single quotes works. Apart from this, double quotes, for example, double quotes and single quotes works. But if in this case, if the case is like this, for this it won't works. I'll show you one second. For this, okay. For this kind of situation, this kind of, here here it is in, for these kind of things, for this kind of sentences, double quote should be there. Double quotes, the string should be enclosed in. String should be enclosed in. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Till now, is it clear? Here it is working, see, guys, still here it is working, see, just only because of this, I am from Hyderabad. If this will be like in this way, single quote, it won't work. Why? Because here I is this is the reason, this is the reason. For this we have to use double quotes. See, here double quotes we have used, it's working. The output we can say. Okay, got it. After this, if I go for the if I go for this, after this part after this part if I go for this, first of all, string indexing and serializing. Before this, we'll go with the string functions once again. Dir my string. See guys, in this string, what with these are called as in methods guys, means what kind of it is having, like normally for example, if you see this index, lower, upper, it has its own, like how it converts the lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase, this all things we'll see. Just give me a minute. In this we'll see the important things in this. One second. Before this, I want to show you this. One second guys, give me a minute. One minute. For example, here if you see my string normally, if you want to find the length of this, first of all, before going into this, let's see this length of this, how to find this length of this. Any one of you have any idea about this length of this, how to find this length of this? Any one of you have any idea about this, what is length and what exactly is, any idea? Like, just if no worries, you can calm down. Just I'm asking the people who knows for them.
I think to store the data in data type, we have to know the length of something. Uh, is
Normally,
uh,
not like that. Normally, if you want to find the length of that, just see, if you want to find the length of this, we'll be using length function. Just len is a function which we uses. See, length starts from Python. If you see Python, if you see here Python, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, total how many are there? 6 is there. That's why 6 means for example, length starts from, normally length starts from 1. It counts how many characters are there in this. Clear? How many characters are there in this? That's going to counted by the, that's going to count by the length part. Clear? Till now is it clear? This one we'll see guys. This one we'll see after completion of this indexing and slicing. Once again, indexing and slicing in strings. Indexing and slicing in strings. Normally, if you want to find indexing and slicing means, for example, in this particular character, in this particular Python itself, if I want particular word, if I want particular element means we use this like this. I want to show you this. I like this. I'll do this once again. My string is equal to Python is equal to Python 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is an positive indexing. Positive indexing. Indexing starts from 0. Positive indexing starts from 0. And positive indexing, positive indexing starts from 0. Okay. And negative indexing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is an negative indexing. Negative indexing. So negative indexing starts from, this starts from -1. Negative indexing starts from -1. So after this, if you see here, Normally, if I want to find the particular word, guys, if I want to find the particular word, it will be like this: my string. If I give 2, what will be the output of 2? What will be the output of 2? We'll get T over here. If I give like this, my string, of -2, -2, that will be like this part, 0. Okay, this is a positive indexing example. Positive indexing. This is for negative indexing example. So I'll show you practically. See here. See my string. See, before going into that, see, 0 part P. I'll show you. See, P Y T H O N, Python 0 1 2 3 4 5, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. You can see here just my string. If I go show you 2 tick. Clear? Is it clear? If I ask you something, you people have to answer no. My string of -3. Any one of you? My string of -3.
H.
-1 -2 -3. Yes. Okay. Got it right, guys? The same way. How it does, in the same way it will be like. Clear?
So yeah, is this like predefined the values indexing?
No, for example, means like automatically it, like for example, it is normally indexing is inbuilt part, like predefined already. It was to find the particular thing. What is the use of this? Means like normally in the libraries part, we'll be getting an lock and ilock over there. Lock and ilock in pandas part, pandas and numpy, pandas libraries. So what happens, from this data frame, for example, among this data frame, we want only particular columns to extract particular columns. This kind of indexing, this is like very basic thing. To understand lock and ilock, we use this, like there how it will be like means will be for particular row to particular row and particular column to particular column we want, means we use lock and ilock over there. That keep aside. For that purpose, normal indexing means like to extract the particular character. What exactly in this? If it is like, for example, here we knows, for example, if in this kind of like my string one, for example, print, I'll go with this, my string one, I don't know. Say my string one, length of this I don't know, I want to find length of this. My string one, I can find. Okay, and also here my string one, 2. Say 0 my string, sorry, my string one have not taken, my string have taken this part. Got it? This will be like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way it will be clear. Is it clear?
Yes. So, like what I am understanding that so for the Python, the values are predefined, the string values. But for like if we have to develop our own code, so we have to define each and every string, right?
No, not like that. If we want to just ignore that, keep aside that functions part, that all don't enter into the mind right now itself. Just like
Mhm.
indexing is like for one particular character, if you want to extract, means from the particular string, means we use indexing. Okay.
Okay,
Keep
okay.
that as a, don't mix up it, okay? One by
Mm-hmm.
one, one by one will go, okay? Cool. Okay, fine. Slicing part. Slicing. Right now, let's go with the slicing. Slicing. Slicing over here means like, for example, slicing. Same example I'll take. Slicing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 over here. So for particular element to particular element, if we want to find, means from this part to, I want for to extract the, to extract to extract to extract the particular element to particular element, we use slicing. We use slicing. Okay, I'll show you how it will be like. See, if it is like in the slicing part, if this is stored in, if this is stored in my string, my string, now slicing. So my string, my string my string 0 to, if I want to go from the 1 to 1 to 5, means what will be the output, what is there in 1, in 1, in 1, right now I'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 1, y is there. In 2, t. In 3, h is there. In 4, 0 is there, Python. But n minus 1, last element, it won't take last element. Okay? Till 4. What is there till 4? YTHO. The output will be like YTHO. Okay? Got it? This is a slicing part. This is called as an positive slicing. Positive slicing. Just see, I'll show you here. It will be clear for you again. See, my string. This I'm printing this. If you want to particular element to particular element, particular character to particular character, particular element, particular element. See, my string 0 or else like 1 to 5. Run it out. See, YTHO means like in this way, the same thing. Just see, Python 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it will be like 1 2 1. What is 1 2 3 4 5? 5 will not include, so YTHO, this will be the output of this. Okay, and if you want from this, if you want, just see 0 0 to 5, PYTHO. See, now it will be clear. After this, sorry, where it is, one second, yes. See, 0 to 5 means till 0. If I t0 to 5 means till 5 starts from 0. Here what is happening means, if you see here, Python, again I'm telling, see, Python, Python. See, in this 0 1 2 3 4 5, what is happening means 0 to 1, where it is in my string, it is in my string. I want 0 to 1, 0 to 0 is like this 0 part is like starting index, and the right side part is like ending index, but till 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last word will not be there. Till 4. That will be like P, Y, T, H, O. Clear? Till now is it clear? Any queries? Positive indexing, is it clear? Any queries, guys? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Let me know, please. Is
Yeah,
it
it's
clear?
clear.
Any queries?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, fine. So this will be like start index, and this will be like ending, ending index over here. Okay, okay, fine. After this, what I'll do, I'll be going for the, I'll be going for this positive indexing. We have seen positive slicing. We have seen this is slicing and positive slicing, positive slicing over here. Let's now go for the negative slicing. Negative slicing. Negative slicing is like negative slicing. Negative slicing is like in this one. In the same part, same thing. Negative slicing. Let's see now. Negative slicing. With the same example, I'm going. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. See, my string. With negative numbers, we'll be going with this. Here, with positive numbers, we have gone. Here, with negative numbers, we are going with negative numbers. Like -5 2, -5 to -2. Okay, -5 to -2. For example, if you say this, Python Python, in this part, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here -5 means -5 to -4, -3, -2. But we knows -5 means y, t, h. We knows last element will not be there. Last element will not be present, not be present. Last element will not be present. Okay, till now is it clear? Last element will not be present. And also this part, for example, the difference over here is like -5 to -2. This is like -5, -4, -3, -2. Okay, y, t, h. Last element will not be there. Last element will not be there. Will not be there over here. Okay, this is about the negative slicing. And also, if you see here, positive indexing here, smaller 2 in the starting ending. In the starting ending, if you see here, in the starting and ending, here starting starts with starting number, starting number should be lowest to here. The order will be like starting number should be lowest, lowest, and ending number should be highest. Ending number should be high. Here starting here starting should be high, start index, this is an end index. Start index will be always high, always, this will be high, this will be high, this always will be low. Okay, this always will be low. Till now is it clear? Till now is it clear? Till now is it clear, guys? Any queries? Any queries, guys? Is it clear? Okay, this is the indexing part. If I ask you, just cross verify yourself, just one thing, cross verify yourself. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And also if you see, in the positive indexing, if you see here, my string 0 is to, if I say from 0 to everything, whatever the indexing will be, like from 0 to, if ending after calling, if I'm not giving anything, here start 0, start index given 0, end index not given anything, end index not given anything, I have left like this, starting from 0 to till end, till end. Okay, starting from 0 to till end. And also anything, if I go for this, my string 2, from 2 to ending, from 2 to ending. In the same way, negative indexing also, like -3 is to till 0 -1. So you can calculate it. You can just observe this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -5. Anything, any character, not only for Python, just I've taken the example of Python to make better understanding. So if you see this, -3 means till here, see, -3 to all, colon, see, this way, -3 to everything, this all thing, HON, you can see the output, HON. And also -5, see this also, 0 to everything, 0 to everything, you can see from 0 to everything. You can see this also, if you can see this also, 2, 2 to, what is 2, this is 2, 2 to everything, 2 to everything, THON, THON, TH, THON, just observe this. Clear till now? Any queries? Any queries? Any queries, guys? Till now, is it clear, or else any queries? Clear? Indexing, slicing, clear? Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Guys, shall we move on?
Yes.
Okay, fine. See, for example, already I've shown you the, okay, length function we have shown. I have shown length function. Let's see few important methods from this. Okay, few important methods from these are called as in methods, guys. Methods of this. Just we'll call that as in methods. Okay. Okay. We'll see important methods in string. So if I want to lower cases particular string like print my string of this Python is there. So okay, I'll store this. For example, what I'll do, I'll make this upper, I'll make this upper, and then I'll convert this into the lowercase. So UPP just I'm taking, you should not take this upper as a name, just for the say upper, say upper. What happened? Okay, fine, there's a mistake. Say it have converted to the uppercase. Before it was in lowercase, it converted into the uppercase. That will be like P, Y, T, H, O, N. It have converted to the uppercase. Now, let's now show this lower is equal to my string dot my string. I'll not go for this my string. Why I have to go for my string? My string in the my string, what is there? Normal Python is there. Already we have converted that to upper. To convert into lower, we use upper. Upper. This upper string, we use this upper string. Or else like I'll take one another example. It will be clear for you people. I'll convert that into this. What I'll do, my string this, my string hy Hyderabad. Okay. Print my string. Say, if I want to convert this into lowercase, what I have to do means my string dot lower method. It have converted to lowercase. Clear? My string here in Hyderabad we have converted to lowercase. Upper means upper method this converts to uppercase wherever the small letters are there, and lower converts into lowercase, right? Clear everyone? Okay, from I'll open the time for the queries part. One second. From here will class. Any queries? What we have gone so far? Any queries? Any queries regarding the topics which we discuss and how the algorithms will be? Anything else? Anything else you can ask me. Few people are having few queries it seems. That's why I have opened the last 10 minutes for this. Okay.
I have one question.
Okay.
So, actually, PyCharm, those kind of tools will be there, right? Interface tools to execute the Python code, but you are using here some online website.
Yes, like mostly in PyCharm, what we have to do in PyCharm itself, here in PyCharm, the code will be an entire. If the one line of error comes, means the entire 3-4 lines of code will also not execute. Here how the cells are there it not happens in that way. That is a different part. Like normally what happens, people will do, like most probably what we do means, like from the VS code we open Jupyter notebook. Okay, we open Jupyter notebook, we will do this stuff over there, we'll pick it and we'll be giving to our manager itself. That is our work. Clear?
So,
In
so,
Jupyter
uh,
also we can
uh,
do
so
Jupyter
you are
Colab,
using the
which is,
Jupyter interface tool. That's what you're saying, correct?
yes, yes.
Okay, and it is
Colab is
online.
same like
It's not
Jupyter,
the some software that you have to install on your
like
system.
from VS code will be opening that.
So, okay, can you come again?
From VS code part, from there we can open this Jupyter. I'll show you that at the end, no worries.
Okay, okay. It's so is it? I mean, like any interface that you have to install on your laptop?
Nothing, only just VS code. If there means it's more than enough. Anaconda is like
VS
an
Code.
VS code.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Later
Mm.
we'll see that. No worries. Like in Jupyter also we'll do. We'll be like in Jupyter also, like
Oh,
normally in
like
Jupyter
Jupyter
also.
VS Code is a different one, like PyCharm and Jupyter. That's what you're saying? It's a
Yes,
different.
VS code and
Okay.
PyCharm is same like that. And Jupyter
Mm-hmm.
is like an completely like Jupyter notebook. The notebook which right now we are doing also like in the same way Jupyter all. Jupyter notebook is also in this way. We can
So
pickle it
how
the
do you
file over
access
here
the
also.
Jupyter notebook? So you just go online. How do you access this?
Which one? That one.
No, the one you are showing you're executing all the instructions, right? So what is that? Is it Jupyter, right? No, no. So this is what is this one?
Ignore this. Ignore this. This is an VS code. You'll be confused if I show you right now itself. Don't go
Okay,
with
okay.
that. You'll be confused right now
No, I'm
itself.
trying to
Then
understand
most people
what
will. No. Most
you.
people will be confused. People, I'll
Yeah,
while
got it,
if
got.
I
I
that will
got
be
it,
in
but
different
I'm
case.
trying
That
to
will be different
understand
case.
you are
Just you can go
executing
with
all.
this. No, you can go with this Jupyter also. No worries. In Jupyter also we can do. In Jupyter will be in this way only. If I suggest for the people to go with Jupyter, most probably in previous sessions, what have faced the challenges, like most of the people's operating system was crashed without having SSD. Initial stages, Jupyter will create you some difficulty for your difficulty over there. That's the reason, like collab is like a very easy part, like we can directly go and we can directly use it all. That's the reason. Okay, Jupyter is also same in this way, there is no difference.
How do you open the Jupyter? Like for the first time, how do you access it? That's what I'm trying to understand.
From there we can open it out, from VS code we can open it out, from Jupyter notebook, from VS code we can open the Jupyter notebook.
No, no, I'm actually new now, so I have to install. I have to execute the Python code. So what is the things that I have to?
Just like you can use this online IDs, this part Colab and Jupyter. If you want to install Jupyter, you can install Jupyter. I'll recommend you. Well, send you
So
any
you,
other installation
so
video.
what are you
No worries.
using right now? Collab. What is that?
Collaboratory.
Collaboratory. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Create your one folder. Here also we can do this. This also we can take for the paid subscription. No worries about this. See, if you see this, here also we can go for this paid subscription. Pro. Okay. This is a free source, which right now which we are using is completely free. Not creates anything for our system if you have any normal lappy or else advanced lappy. Got
Okay.
it?
So it's like that. You just take the website like collab research in the Google. You can search and then you can go and we can execute
You
directly.
can you can execute it, not or else like you can do like this, like for example, right click on this collaboratory, just collaboratory, or else like see, just say right click Google collaboratory, or else like connect more apps. If you go for the connect more apps, it's going to show you this all things. It's going to show you this all things like collab. If I click this, you can install this. Already this is installed in my, see, that's why say you can open this.
Okay, okay.
New file will be open. Got it?
Can you make one video like how to do this one for the first time users and then can you share us?
Okay, fine. No worries. Already have shown in from the day one to till now. I'm showing this.
Oh, okay,
Just see.
okay.
Just right
Oh,
now. I'll show you. Just see. Nothing to do. Right click. Just see, guys. Just right click. I'm doing see. Just right click. Create one folder. Just right click over here. Just
this is the
ignore the things
Google.
which I've said before. Why? Because like if you go with that, install that will be like completely different scenario. It'll be confused a lot. Don't go with that things. See, connect more apps. In the more, go for the connect more apps. After this, you can see this kind of thing here. Collaboratory, collaboratory, and
Oh,
after
this is the
this,
Google
click on this.
product.
Here's a Google product.
Oh, so this is the Google product to execute Python code.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Like it won't create anything for your system initially. Got it right?
Oh, so you mean you are saying like in the drive itself, you can in the cloud you
You
can
can
do
save.
everything.
You can drive itself your files, or files will be saved automatically. And also I've shared this link directly, that the files which I'm doing live.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
Okay.
I will go through the videos because I think I'm like missed some
No,
part.
no, no, not just this is the thing. Just see. I should also have shown to someone of the. You said you're leaving. I think
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
baby is. I'm showing to him that I thought might be you were good at this. That's why you're leaving. I thought, but again you're asking. There was completely shocked. Like, okay, fine, no worries.
Okay.
Connect more apps. See, again I'm showing. See, if you right click, see I'm showing keyboard. Go here on screen keyboard. See. Uh, Here how to, okay, fine. I don't know how to use this. Right click over here, right click over here, just more, and connect more apps.
Mm-hmm.
You can directly use this collaboratory. See,
Okay.
collaboratory, just ending of this video. If you watch, you'll just follow this ending of the video. That's it. Install
Mm,
this,
mm,
install this. After this,
mm,
after installing this, you'll be having like this. Already here I have already installed from
mm,
my mail ID. I mean, already installed from my drive. So see,
mm-hmm.
Google Colab, open this. That's it. Click on this. It's going to open you like this. New notebook without anything. It will be clear and it will open like this. Right click,
Mm.
more, collaborate. See now, create and share. See in this way.
Okay, okay,
Got it?
okay,
Clear? Anything else?
okay. So, so it's not any tool that installs in the laptop
Nothing,
in the
nothing.
laptop, but
If any
when you go
initial,
and do collaboratory, it will be open as a cloud like website,
yes,
right?
yes, yes, right.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
In the cloud also, in companies, what they do normally in Amazon SageMaker, they're also like collab, like in the cloud also you can find this kind of notebooks, collab and Jupyter, there also you can do. that all companies burden now. Normally if we go and if I suggest you people that the bill will be more than your the you cannot imagine the bill. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Anything
Yeah.
else? Anything else, guys? Okay, fine then. Shall we wind up? If no queries means if the people if any people have any queries means they can stay back, and if no queries means they can leave, guys. Tomorrow we'll continue with this. Okay. If no queries means we'll wind up the session, guys. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.